Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with the May Style Dome box, and yes, it was a very nice box this month overall. I already picked in. I have couple of things. I have issues. This is a little bit over 15 euros. It's here in Netherlands. It's a local beauty subscription service. It always comes in like this kind of thin packaging, so it fits through your mail this thing. So yeah, and it always contains 5 full-size items. Nothing is tested else. It's always cruelty free, and yeah. And let's get into it. The first thing is my very disappointing product, and this is the Hot Makeup BB cream. It looks like if I can even open it without breaking it, it's like a concealer pen. It's the shade range is, I find, very horrible. I'm AB 30. I'm this shade. This is crazily dark for me. I'm this shade. Maybe I could pull off this. I don't know. Like, this is medium skin, please. So I don't understand why we have these colored cosmetics for complexion as like concealers and stuff, because we don't fill in. You don't know what shade I am. Why would you do this? So this goes to giveaway because I can wear it, and hopefully someone else can. Yes, that's upsetting to me. Anyhow, and one of my friends gets it too, and he got a lighter one, so he can't wear it either. Stardom, what are you thinking here? Put a pretty lipstick in. So next, this retails, the concealer kind of pen retails for 19 euros. The next item is a blush. It looks very pretty. I will show you in a second. It's the Mesauda Milano blush, and it's retails 10.90. And I have shades Kinky, which is this beautiful coral. Let me open. Beautiful coral blush, and it feels super, how to say, super silky to the touch. Yeah, and look at the color, it's so beautiful. I can see myself wearing it on summer a lot. The formula seems nice, and yeah, I have never tried anything from them, so I'm excited. One thing, almost all the value of the box, but we still need a few wins here. Then we have this kind of sponge. It's a cleansing buff for the daily cleansing of your face. It retails for £6. It's the idea for deep cleansing. This is something I wouldn't use personally. Sorry. I will put it in a giveaway. Then another item I got is from Look X. It's something I know a lot of. I have got before a lot from Style Tone box, and it's their lip gloss, and the shade. Let's see the shade I got. It retails for 18.95, and Macaron Pearl, I believe is the name of the gloss, but it's only on the box, not on the actual product. But this, it does a weird smell, but it looks beautiful. Here it is, super pretty shade. I have had their products before, and I usually do like them. I would like to see some of their skincare, but then it would be bigger box, so it wouldn't fit in the mailbox. But I would like to try their skincare in the boxes as well. It would be nice. then we can move on to the last item. So I already got the value worth of the box, but the last item is a sheet mask. How lovely! It's from Silene Pink Clay Mask. And I'm sorry if I sounded like sarcastic, I wasn't. It retails for 14 euros and it's with two. It has a silk nourishing ampoule essence and silk coil pink clay mask. It's a two-step mask, so it's deep hydration. Yeah, it has skin exfoliating, skin supplement, hydro, hydrolyze the collagen and pearl extract, which moisturizes the skin. So yeah, I will let you guys know on my Instagram stories if you wanna see this in action. I love doing like little mask reviews there. But yeah, I'm very excited to try this out. I love sheet masks, you know that. So yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.